Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please click on subscribe button and press bell button to watch my next tutorial. Friends, in this tutorial, I'll show how to blur the background and adjust the color of the background. In this photo, the background was not correctly blurred and also brightness of the background quite more. So I have to blur the background, also darken the background. Friends, if you are taking photo in mobile, I'll show how to give an DSLR effect to that. So don't skip this video. Please watch till end. Let's start. To blur the background, you have to select the background. Easy method to select the background is first select the subject of the photo and then inverse the selection. To select the subject, I'll click for quick selection and select the subject of the photo. After selecting subject of the photo, to inverse the selection, go for select option and click inverse option. Now to blur the background, go for filter option and search for blur gallery, and in that click for field blur option. You can here adjust blurriness of the background. Then more blur options are there: iris blur, tilt blur, path blur and spin blur. You can adjust all this. I use field blur option. After adjusting, click OK. Friends, now I have to darken the background and also adjust the color of the background. For that, I'll click for filter option and go for camera raw filter. And to adjust the brightness of the background, you can adjust the exposure. If you lesser the exposure, the brightness will be less. If you greater the exposure, then the brightness will be more. Also, you can adjust the highlights. I'll less the highlight to darken the background. And also adjust saturation, I'll lesser the saturation. And to adjust the color of the background, click here and you can adjust the color here, and also saturation of the color, and then luminance of the color. After that, click OK. Friends, this is how to blur the background and also adjust the color of the background. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back with my next tutorial.